the 5th year, but the president of the Chemical Engineering Society for our batch. And the editor-in-chief of the magazine.
Yes! Maraming achievement. May grupo sila eh, di ba? O the Three Studios. O di ba? Si Cheng, si Noe, tsaka si Benji. Sila naman matatalino eh. Sila pa nagpapakopya. Si Pides hindi papakopya yan.
Sino nga yung nahuli?
Ay, sino ang nangopya nun?
Sa ethics.
Ha?
Sino
huli nun?
Tapos kumopya na pareho pa. Kumopya pareho mali.
Kay Ma'am Evie yun.
Kay Ma'am Evie yun?
Pares kami ng sagot lahat mali.
Diyos ko, ano ba yun?
Si Joe ata yun eh.
Tayo nang
Ayos ka? Nahuli kasi pag kinopya mali rin.
Mali rin.
Anyway, may we call on Mr. Noe Hidalgo to give us a few words. Ay, wala pa naman kayo dyan.
Sige, few words lang daw. So, well, first of all, in behalf of my classmates, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa mga bisita namin. For our guests, our teachers na obviously have helped us to where we are right now, kami nagpapasalamat for joining us in our this special event for us. So, sabi nga ni Dean, invite ulit sila. So, of course, in our future homecoming. So, if you notice, ano to eh, 20 years, so this is our first. Sana naman yung second, hindi after 20 years, ano? So, sabi ni Chong na second. So, hopefully, of course, in 5 years from now, importante yun. But even before that, I hope we can be together some more often. Maybe 20 months from now yung official. Pero yung mga kabadminton ko, hopefully in less than 20 days, maglalaro tayo. Okay? Okay? Every Sunday. Okay, so, and secondly, as presented by Cheng, I think it's also time for us to give back yung blessings na ibigay sa atin. So I think we should look at really a noble project that we should pursue. Hindi lang dahil nag-meet tayo ngayon, but something that we can sustain as a project and as a legacy for us as a batch. You know? Sabi nga ni Dean, hindi lang yung tuition, kundi there are other reasons. And I think for me also, if not for the financial support that I got in college, siguro hindi rin ako either sa UST nag-aral or hindi nakagraduate. Nakagraduate lang siguro, but probably in another school. So I think it's good to really to have, especially those who are deserving but unfortunately nahihirapan. So good night. So we'll see you again in whatever 20 months or 20 weeks, whatever. Good evening again.
May sasabihin pa ba?
No more. So that's the end of the program. So ngayon, we open the floor for the e-process program. Okay, so this is a time to enjoy. We have the band here. They prepared some songs, disco songs. Kasi sa atin naman talagang batch magsimula yung disco, di ba? So, thank you again. Let's listen to the band here. Ano yun? It's in ensemble con expresivo. Con expresivo. Okay, thank you.
Ay! Meron pa isang chismis. Tanungin nyo kung saan yung pag-aaral yung mga anak na mga yan. Kung sa UST.
Ay, nako.
Chismis yan. Buti ako walang anak.
Kasi nakikita nila yung tatay.
Ano pa? Ay, teka nga pala. Alumni, fellow alumni. Meron ba magmamana ng ano? Ng handbook nyo? Paglaki? Ha? Oh, gusto mo Kevin? Oh! Ewan ko na, bagong bili na kasi inanay ni. Kasi yung ano ko, yung handbook ko, puro kodigo nung board exam. Inanay.
May CD na ngayon, no?
Oo, meron akong kopya noon. Meron akong kopya. Lyrics. Ba't ang liit ang mga ano? Ay hindi, ewan ko. Tutugtog ka, hindi. Sayang naman, di ba? May bayad to eh. Pero kung gusto nyo nang buwi, sige tangin na, wala nang problema. Kasi later ako saan pa kayo nakatira, di ba? Oo nga, balay ka pa tumugtog. Ito mga to, Diyos ko, dapat tuloy-tuloy na yan.